Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Andrea and welcome if you're new. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys my 10-minute makeup routine. I had mentioned in my last video, watch if you haven't, that because I'm a new mom now and I have a month old, you know, she's a newborn, I don't have a lot of time to get ready, so this 10-minute makeup routine has really been working for me. It's an everyday makeup look, very easy to achieve, it's very wearable, very natural. Don't get me wrong, you're still going to be wearing a full face of makeup, but it doesn't look like it because it's so fresh and so natural. So if you guys don't have a lot of time to get ready in the morning for your job, if you guys just like a more natural, more wearable look, then this is really going to work for you. And yeah, if you guys would like to know how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Bye guys! Hey you guys, so the first thing I do is fill in my eyebrows, and for that I'm using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Shape and Fill in the shade Brunette. And this is a very nice drugstore alternative if you like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. It's what I've been using lately. Actually, I've been using it for like a year now and I don't think I'm gonna go back. So I just like to go ahead and fill in my brows and make sure they're nice and blended. Next, I'm going to prime my face, and for that I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Base Aqua Priming Base, and then I'm going to jump right into foundation, and for that I'm using the Maybelline SuperStay Foundation shade 120 Classic Ivory. And you guys know my favorite foundation is the Fit Me by Maybelline, but this foundation has completely blown me away. I just love how this shade matches my skin. I'm using the M439 brush to buff out this foundation, and once it's nice and blended, then we're going to go in with concealer. And for that I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in Porcelain, and it blends out like a dream. I'm using the Flower Beauty sponge to do so, and also I love the coverage of it. Next, I'm going to go in with the Airspun Loose Face Translucent Powder, and I'm just going to set that concealer, and then I'm going to use it all over my face as well. But we're not going to bake because we don't have a lot of time for that. Then I'm going to go with the Colourpop Yes Please palette, and I'm just going to be using that white cream shade that I'm almost out of, and I'm going to place it all over the lid. Then we're going to go in with the brownish orange shade from the palette, and I'm going to use it all over my eyelid. I'm going to blow it out, and that is the only eyeshadow I'm going to use. So I'm just packing on this one eyeshadow and making sure it's nice and blended, and going on the lower lash line with the same eyeshadow as well. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, just pack on that same eyeshadow, make sure it's blended out, and put it on the lower lash line. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with the gold eyeshadow from the palette, and I'm going to put it in my inner corner. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I've been loving this mascara lately. It just makes my eyelashes look so full and so long. And I don't do this every day, but sometimes I like to go in with a second layer just to make them look even fuller. Also, if you get a little mascara on your eyelid, just wait for it to dry and then go in with your blending brush and blend it out and it'll come right off. And that's what I'm doing right now. Next, I'm going to go in with the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and I'm going to go ahead and bronze up my whole face. For blush, I'm using the Milani Romantic Rose Powder Blush, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in the apples of my cheeks and then blend it upwards as well. For highlight, I'm using the Colourpop Super Shock Highlight in Flexitarian, and I love this highlight. It's so blinding. Then for an extra glow, I'm using Becca and Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop, and I'm putting that on top of the Flexitarian on my nose, my collarbone, my nose again. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Adorable. And then on top of that, I'm going to be using the Brilliant Shine Lip Gloss in Bare Secret. I've been very into lip gloss lately, and yeah, that is it for my lips. And yeah guys, this completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment any video ideas, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Why is it that I can never find anything? Like, I just put my mascara right here. I cannot find it. If you guys would like to know, so if you guys would like to see how to recreate this makeup look, would you stop texting me? Ooh, my lashes look good though. See, no falsies.